Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. On today's video, we will be learning how to permanently delete your Discord account. Before starting today's tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Now, to permanently delete your Discord account, first of all, tap open Discord app on your phone. Now, on the bottom right corner, you can see a small icon with profile and a green dot. Tap on the icon. You are now redirected to user settings page. On this page, tap on My Account option. Now scroll down and you can see two options, either to disable your account or delete your account. In this video, we will be learning how to delete your account. So tap on delete account option. Now type your password and tap on delete to confirm that you want to delete your account. Your account has been successfully deleted. I hope this video helped you learn how to permanently delete your Discord account. Do like and leave a comment in the comment box.